behavior.
Ethical values. Then
Financial support, emotional support.
very good. And each member's role is equally important. Okay, it's not that only mummy is important or father is important or grandparents are important. Each member's role is equally important. Okay, that also you need to say. See, now I am not feeling well. I am not able to control. Now dad is taking the role. If dad was not able to take the role, then you would have spoiled your future. Now, in spite of taking the responsibility, if you won't realize your responsibility, then you'll spoil your future. Is it not? Is that true or not? Tell that also what you missed. Each members
have different roles.
And it is equally important. Next. What strengthens community? What activity does strengthens the community? So if you want to be the active member in the society, then how it is possible? That is question. How to strengthen community? Sit properly.
Community. By supporting each other.
Very good, social work, voluntary work you should do, Then there will be different events in the community that you need to participate. Like in our community, we are celebrating Independence Day, Republic Day, and if there is festival celebration, all the community members should, if they are celebrating, then we should also contribute. Okay, we should help neighbors. That is, we should have good relations with the neighbors, especially. First that step. Okay. What all things you missed? Know that you tell. What strengthens community?
Social support, volunteer work. We should help each other. We should participate in the
events.
Festivals.
We should have good relation with. What is the first step? Don't just continue what I'm saying. Repeat.
We should have good relation with